You would not believe what is hiding under years of school desk damage. Marker stains, paint, scratches, dozens of kids leaving their mark. This desk has seen everything, but watch what happens when you run it through an industrial belt sander. The machine locks it in place, the abrasive band starts spinning, one slow pass across the surface, and just like that, decades of damage start disappearing. You can see it happening in real time. One side completely stripped clean, the other side still covered in years of history. A few more passes. Left to right, back and forth, until every single trace is gone. What is left is raw, smooth, perfect wood, ready to be finished again, ready for another generation of kids to ruin it. This is how school desks get a second life, instead of ending up in a dumpster. Follow for more satisfying restoration content.